everyone, I am so happy we have done it. Magnificalcorecraft YouTube channel, Macrame tutorial, now has 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for everyone that has made it a reality. For all our subscribers, our fans and supporters, everyone that has commented, that has shared our videos, that have liked, we appreciate you. Thank you for the community. Thank you for the great family. We appreciate that now we have crossed the hurdle. Are you coming across our video for the first time and you are yet to subscribe? Please join us. Weekly, we upload new videos. And please, each time you enjoy our content, try to like our video. By so doing, YouTube will push it out to more people to enjoy as well. We thank you so much. We appreciate you and we love you all. See you at 1 million. Thank you.